Hello, you're very welcome to Story Time with Elga from the Community Library, and it's lovely to see you all again, and a big wave to everybody. We have a very special story today, a wonderful story to share with all your children, whether they're babies, whether they're toddlers, whether they're at primary school. It's just a lovely story to share, and it's called We're Going on a Bear Hunt, and it's by Michael Rosen and Helen Oxenbury. Now, the lovely thing about this story is that Michael Rosen has joined with Helen Oxenbury, but obviously these two writers also write lots and lots of books on their own. Michael Rosen has written about, I think it's something now in the range of 140 books. He's very, very popular, very, very good quality author. And he writes stories, individual stories, but also books that are about rhymes, Wriggly Wiggly Rhymes, and The Bus Is For Us, and a great big cuddle, which are poems for the very young. And certainly another lovely and very popular book is The Bear in the Cave. The very first book that I ever came across by Michael Rosen was Little Rabbit Foo-Foo, and that might bring back some memories to you. Dear Fairy Godmother was another one, and Dear Mother Goose, and Chocolate Cake. So he's got a whole range of books, but this is one that he has focused on today with Helen Oxenbury, and that is We're Going on a Bear Hunt. And this book actually won. There's a particular book prize called the Smarties Book Prize, and it won that. And Helen Oxenbury now, she not only writes books, but she also draws all the pictures. When she was at school, her favourite subject was art. She just loved to paint, and she's written again loads and loads of books for babies. You might know that book by Martin Waddell, Farmer Duck. Well, she actually illustrated that, as well as writing a whole range of books, collections of nursery rhymes, the Helen Oxenbury Nursery Collection Storybook, First Nursery Stories, Little Baby Books, Big Baby Book. There's a whole range. There's a lovely one called Little Box of Baby Love. And then she's done a whole series of books that trace the stages of development from baby, I can, I hear, I see, clap hands. And then she's very much for family life as well. She's written a book just called Family, and One Day with Mum, and Grandma and Grandpa. And she's also very similar to another wonderful author, Shirley Hughes, because she writes about different situations, like for example, my first day at school, friends, shopping, it's my birthday. And you might know the Pippo stories, Pippo and Tom. Well, she's written all those, and special bedtime stories as well, Say Goodnight. And another very interesting thing about Helen Oxenbury is that she is married to another very, very famous author and children's author called John Birmingham. And he wrote The Shopping Basket and a whole range of wonderful children's stories as well. So a wonderful writer and illustrator, and just look at these lovely pictures. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh. Grass. Long wavy grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no. We've got to go through it. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh. A river. A deep, cold river. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Splash, splosh, splash, splosh, splash, splosh. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh. Mud. Thick, oozy mud. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh. A forest. A big, dark forest. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a snowstorm. A swirling, whirling snowstorm. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh. A cave. A narrow, gloomy cave. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. What's that? One shiny wet nose, two big furry ears, two big googly eyes. It's a bear. Through the cave, tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Back through the forest, stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Back through the mud, squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch. Back through the river, splash, splosh, splash, splosh, splash, splosh. Back through the grass, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. Get to our front door. Open the door, up the stairs. Oh no, we forgot to shut the door. Back downstairs, shut the door, back upstairs, into the bedroom, into bed, under the covers. We're not going on a bear hunt again. Well, there's a perfect example of a wonderful story with rhyme and rhythm and repetition the whole way through. And if you keep reading that story over and over again to your child, it'll be no time at all that they will know all that story off by heart. Well, you know, why don't you go on a bear hunt today? If you have all your teddies, you could gather your teddies together. You could hide them all around your house. You could hide them outside your front door, in your garden. You could hide them anywhere at all. But our teddies will be very, very friendly. Would you like to help me find my teddies today? They're hidden away. Come on, let's go and we'll gather together teddies. Here we are, and we're going to go into our very own forest, a lovely wood, and we'll find our teddies. We have to be very quiet. Let's see if you can find them with me. I wonder, is there a teddy hiding anywhere here? I wonder, is he down here? I can't see him at the foot of the tree, can you? What about if I go up a little bit higher? Oh, can you see him? Just peeping out from the tree. There's Teddy Bear number 1. Isn't he lovely? Little red bow tie. Where are all your friends hidden? Have I to go further into the forest? Let's go into the forest. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. I wonder, is there any teddy bear around here, up high in the trees? No, that's just all the birds. Let's see. Can you see a teddy? Is that teddy bear number 2? Oh, there he is. I'm glad I found you. Oh, is there another teddy? Let's go and see if we can find teddy bear number 3. Can you see a teddy? Over here, I can't see any teddy. I'll need your help. What about over here? Can you see him? Hiding in the forest. There he is. Teddy bear number 3. Well, you must be very hungry. Were you out here long? Would you like to have a lovely picnic and join your friends? And you know, you can set up a lovely picnic in the garden or in your house and have your very own teddy bear's picnic. Are you coming? Let's go. for a lovely picnic. And they must be very hungry. We have our lovely porridge and fruit. And Bear's very favourite honey. Our very own Teddy Bear's picnic. And you know you can sing a song, the Teddy Bear's picnic. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. If you go down in the woods today, you're sure of a big surprise. If you go down in the woods today, you'd better go in disguise. For every bear that ever there was will gather there for certain, because today's the day the teddy bears have their picnic. Every teddy bear who's been good is sure of a treat today. There's lots of marvellous things to eat and wonderful games to play. Beneath the trees where nobody sees, they hide and seek as long as they please. 'Cause that's the way the teddy bears have their picnic. Picnic time for teddy bears. The little teddy bears are having a lovely time today. Watch them, catch them unawares as they picnic on their holidays. See them gaily gad about. They love to play and shout. They haven't another care. At 6 o'clock their mommies and daddies will take them home to bed, because they're tired little teddy bears. If you go down in the woods today, you'd better not go alone. It's lovely down in the woods today, but safer to stay at home. For every bear that ever there was will gather there for certain, because today's the day the teddy bears have their picnic. Today's the day the teddy bears have their picnic. So why don't you gather all your teddy bears that you have at home and bring them outside and have a lovely teddy bear's picnic. Well, what do you think you'd like to eat first? I think we'll have a lovely bowl of porridge. Would you like to hear that story? I think so. Once upon a time, there were 3 bears. There was a mommy bear, a daddy bear, and a baby bear. And they lived in the forest. And their favourite food was porridge. And Mommy Bear said, why don't we have a lovely bowl of porridge? And Daddy Bear said, oh, porridge is very, very hot when it's cooked. Why don't we all go for a walk in the forest, and when we come back, our porridge will have cooled down. And that's just what they did.